Here we're working with some word problems, and these involve right triangles, so we really need to be able to draw a diagram to represent these problems. So Janet's flying a kite, and that has a string length of 85 meters long. So we have a person over here, they're flying a kite. Okay, and the string here is 85 meters long. So that should represent the hypotenuse of a right triangle. So with the ground, the angle made is 48 degrees, and we want to work out the height. How high is that kite from the ground? So here we've been given the hypotenuse. We want to find the opposite side, the vertical side. Well, opposite over hypotenuse is so that goes with sine. The vertical length is, we really should start associating with sine. So I'm going to write my sine ratio, sine of 48 degrees. Okay, and that, maybe I should just write that out, opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so maybe we'll call this x. So we'll call that x over 85 meters. So I need to solve for x, so I have the angle that describes this shape, so I need the ratio because I have an unknown number in this rate in the actual measured ratio. So I need to convert that 48 degrees into a ratio. And the sine ratio from my calculator is going to be 0.743 divided by 1. Okay, so remember that it's always, the one number ratio is always compared to 1. Solving algebraically for x, we can just multiply that ratio by 85, and we get a height of 63.17 meters. Okay, and just to remind you, notice that I'm using 3 decimals for the ratio to indicate the difference between a ratio measurement and the actual measurement here.